There is also a garage as a practical accessory. I've already got one for myself. It's installed over the charging station because it shouldn't have to put up with rain, sun, leaves and dirt. Nevertheless, the mower is weatherproof, which also makes cleaning very easy. Just spray the mower well from all sides, which is no problem for the mower to handle. And in contrast to others, it doesn't need a rain sensor, but rather it works in any weather. By the way, there are many other practical accessories from Gardena for the mower.